Big news from Fortner Homes. We are excited to introduce Select Finishes, a brand new way for you to make your new home truly yours. Now, even after construction begins, you can add your personal touch. From paint colors to tile, you can select finishes that reflect your style, all before your home reaches the halfway point in construction, which is when sheetrock is installed. When you purchase a Fortner home before sheetrock, you will get a complimentary 30-minute design appointment with our in-house design team. You'll see samples in person and get to choose what items from the assigned interior package you want in your home. Do you want to swap out that backsplash for another one that still coordinates with the package but feels like more of a home to you? Or do you want to add in a bold color for a feature wall? These seemingly small choices have a big impact on your future home and mean that your home isn't just built for you, it's tailored to you. Even as construction is underway, you have the chance to make it reflect your taste and lifestyle. Fortner Homes Select Finishes gives you the flexibility to make your home your very own from the start. Are you ready to make a house your home? Contact our team today to get started.